Good morning. Today we are going to learn about pure open-ended question in DataQire. What is pure open-ended question? Open-ended questions are questions that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no, and instead require the respondent to elaborate on their points. Open-ended questions help you see things from a customer's perspective as you get feedback in their own words instead of stock answers. How to program a pure open-ended question in DataQire. Below are the steps to create pure open-ended question. First, we have to select the section in which we wish to add the question. Once our section is open, select the plus button to open the menu which offers various question types. Now program a pure open-ended question by clicking Text Box button under Open-Ends group. Question details. Enter a unique question ID in Question ID box. For example, Q8 add a question text which you wish to show to your respondents in Question Text box. For example, how would you describe yourself? If you wish to a subtext, enter the same in Question Subtext. For example, please specify. Question subtext will appear below question text in survey. In case you want to add a footer text, then enter the same in Question Footer. This text will appear at the bottom of screen. If there is a need to conditionally show the question, then we can always apply filter on this question. Answer options or responses. By default, 2 blank response rows are already provided. Enter the answer options in row. If you have more than 2 rows, then you can add by clicking on plus row button and a new row will be added to response pane. You can also pipe any text in this question. For this we have a icon plus pipe in block, where you can replace a text from its value. Just paste the desired text in the replace box and then select variable by clicking on plus icon. By clicking the icon for regex, you can also add the zip code as well as many other options like phone number, email address. Additionally, you can control the settings for rows by selecting the button with 3 vertical dots. This will open a menu with row settings, where we can select, unselect non-mandatory, hide label and text area. You can also add the maximum length for the text area and also add regex as well as add and remove any row. When adding regex, you enter an error message or an invalid message to display below the text box if the condition is not match. You can manage the question settings for this pure open-ended question by clicking in the setting icon. Capture screen time. Capture the total time spent on the screen for this question. Capture randomization order captures the order in which answer options are displayed on respondent screen. Randomize rows. This is checked the rows options will be shuffled randomly and automatically at runtime. None of the above. This option is checked and selected as the exclusive option. After that, scroll to the Windows edge to find the options for data layout and render view. You can now view the appearance of the question by choosing the render view. Click the Submit button next. Your pure open-ended question has now successfully been created.